Welcome to the CoinEx course tutorial, a comprehensive guide to understanding and navigating the CoinEx platform. CoinEx is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of digital assets for trading. To get started with the CoinEx course, first you need to create an account on the CoinEx website. This involves providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your email address and set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. Next, you need to understand the different types of orders that can be placed on the CoinEx platform. These include market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price, while a limit order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price. A stop-loss order is an order to sell a cryptocurrency when it falls to a certain price, helping to limit potential losses. The CoinEx platform also offers a range of trading tools and indicators, including charts, trend lines, and technical indicators. These tools can be used to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. For example, you can use the Relative Strength Index to determine if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold, and make trading decisions accordingly. In addition to trading tools, the CoinEx platform also offers a range of risk management strategies. These include setting stop-loss orders, using leverage, and diversifying your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio involves spreading your investments across a range of different cryptocurrencies, helping to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. To get the most out of the CoinEx course, it is essential to practice trading with a demo account before using real funds. This will help you to get familiar with the platform and to test your trading strategies without risking any money. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and trends, and to continually educate yourself on new trading strategies and techniques. By following these steps and using the tools and strategies outlined in the CoinEx course, you can become a successful cryptocurrency trader and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always use caution and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. With patience, discipline, and practice, you can master the CoinEx platform and achieve success in the world of cryptocurrency trading.